The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, front, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, CD player, security system, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.